jumped at the chance to ski at Erwalder Alm in Austria during our trip to Germany's largest resort, which we thought had a limited variety of beginner slopes. You can watch that video next. But just a 45-minute drive from Garmisch is this much smaller gem of a winter playground in Austria. Erwalder Alm feels like it's centred around beginners, and in particular children. Powered by pretzels, we spent a couple of days there. Yay! But beginner skiers could be entertained for much longer, exploring the wide, gentle blue slopes. And the children and big kids can take on some of the many obstacles in the various fun parks around the resort.
How was that?
Good. Well, it wasn't good, was it at all? It was great.
The boys absolutely loved the family park. The jumps, fun slope, and snow playground. And tired tumbles at the bottom of the Black Run created a further unofficial slide. At just under 30 kilometres, navigation is easy, centred around a top-to-bottom blue run along the bottom of most of the lifts. The majority of the pieces are blue, with a few reds and one black for those wanting to stretch themselves. The resort ranges from 1,100 to 1,900 metres in altitude, and its facilities are impressive.
Ooh, it's so shiny and new.
Please humour my youngest, who is keen to show you what he described as mind-blowing toilets. We also appreciated the gondolas, which were perfect for shelter and a packed lunch, saving us some euros, although they were promptly spent at the bar. Sadly, we weren't able to try the night tobogganing on a floodlit run, but it sounds amazing.
2-day family.
There's family pricing to save you some euros, and the pass is valid for a few other local ski areas. But also check out the Top Snow card, as that covers Garmisch too. If you find you want to move on from Erwalder Alm to more challenging and a wider variety of slopes, there are plenty of other ski options nearby, including glacier skiing. Do check out that video too. And be sure to subscribe so you don't miss our next video, which is from another Austrian resort.